Let me show you all motions and gestures available on Samsung Galaxy A37. So first of all, we need to open settings. Over here in settings, we should be able to scroll down a little bit, and we are looking for advanced features. Over here in advanced features, we should be able to go to motions and gestures, and then here we have some of these gestures that we have available on this phone. So we have, for example, lift to wake, which allows you to pick up the phone and then the screen will turn on. Over here, we also have double tap options. We can double tap to turn on or turn off the screen. There's also alert when phone picked up, so your phone will vibrate when you pick it up after missing a call. There is also mute with the gestures, so if you have an incoming call, if you want to be able to quickly mute it, you can, for example, place your hand over this screen, or you can turn your phone face down, and this will mute the ringtone. There is also palm swipe to capture, so you can swipe with your hand from left to the right side or from right side to the left side in order to capture a screenshot. Besides these options, we can also go back and proceed to the multi-window option, where we can find two additional swipe gestures. For example, we have swipe for split screen. So we can use two fingers to move them into the middle of the phone, and this allows you to activate the split screen view. And there is also the swipe for pop-up view. So if you want to quickly be able to open an app in the floating window, after enabling this option, you can grab from the upper left or upper right corner, just drag it into the middle, and there we go. We have our pop-up view. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.